PIDGINENGLISH.
Country people, una welcome to DJM weekly pidgin English when we dey bring come give una. I beg country people, if this one na the first time when e be say you take dey watch our video, I use God beg you, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM. Make you come knack the notification bell so that you go continue to get our ogbonge news video. Me wey wan knack una the tori this week, na be una country brother again when my name be Stanley Okocha. This second story when we wan hear today, dey come all the way from Zamfara state. Wetin happen for Zamfara? Una go laugh when una see the video. Two Chiko man all the way from China carry themselves come Naija, come waka kurukere, come dey use bebeye, they turn our gold to their own. The one when he pay me pass for inside, come be one Naija babe wey come be say he come dey help them. They even dey do their cooking and they do their cleaning for their house. Abeg show me the video. The thing dey vex me.
Zamfara State Commissioners of Police Usman Nagogo led the operation to the hideouts of the Chinese nationals who are engaging in illegal mining at the Kwali mining site. The police stormed the house where the foreign nationals are residing at Nasara Bukulu community in Bukun local government of Zamfara State and arrested two of them. Also arrested alongside the foreigners was a Nigerian girl. She is said to be a cook and cleaner for the foreign illegal miners. The arrest of the two foreigners indicates that it is not only Nigerians who are operating illegally at the Kwali mining site in Zamfara State, but foreigners as well. CP Nagogo explains that the police is committed to ensure the enforcement of the federal government ban on mining activities in Zamfara State. That is why it has deployed about 63 additional mobile policemen to the Kwali mining site.
Fuzzling us was the fact that the federal government has banned all mining activities since 2016 in Zamfara. So we are not expecting to see even a Nigeria engaging in gold activities, and not to talk about even a Chinese national. But you are living witness. The Chinese personnel are here and they are engaged very much in that illegal mining activity. Decision will be made by Inspector General of Police, because from here we'll transfer them to Abuja. In Abuja we will make necessary decisions and our own stop at.
Items recovered in the house include chemicals, gold, sand, and charcoals, among others, which are being used by the foreign nationals in the minings of gold at the Kwali site. Adamu Silas, AIT News, goes out.
Country people, shey una see the video. We dey talk am for our own language. Say come join me eat. No be say you go just wash your hand from the beginning to your shoulder. Say cause you wan follow me eat. We call China people make dem come work for our country, not mean say dem come dey use bebeye and GBT till dey collect wetin no be their own. We when we get country, we never dey do am like that. If this one na the first time when e be say you take dey see our videos like this, I beg, make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM. And again, make you knack your hand for the notification bell so that you go continue to get our video stories like this. Bye bye.
DJM.